Instead of using a commercial injection, we made our own. We have 1 stick of butter and 1 stick of vegetable oil spread, the Imperial. We're going to put in some smoked paprika. This is my own Cajun seasoning that I created. Got a whisker to whisk it all together, and reusing a Tony Chachere's injector from last year. And we're going to go ahead. We're going to put 7 tablespoons of this, 3 tablespoons of the smoked paprika, and then we're going to whisk it all up. There it is, all mixed up. That's what it's going to look like, and then we're going to use that as the injection. Now here is our 14.5-pound fresh butter ball that we're going to be getting prepped up and ready. We're going to take her out of the bag. We're going to rub her with oil, season her, and inject her, and get her ready to go in. All right, I'm going to get rid of all that juice we don't need. Set that there like that. Go in here, take that neck bone out. Some people say it for gravy, but we don't. Then open this side up. Get your bag of giblets out of there. And then you just get rid of this flap here. You don't need all this extra skin. Give it a little tummy tuck. Don't need that. Rinse her off with some cold water. Always want to use cold water. You don't want to use hot water. Just give her a rinse out. I'm going to pat it dry with some paper towels. Do a little bit more trimming maybe, and then start the injection. Oops, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to pat dry outside. And we're going to oil it, and then we can get the inside dry a little bit. And then we're going to oil it and then season it and then inject it. Just make sure it's dry a little bit. Just makes it easier for the oil and everything to stick, because oil and water does not mix. Alright, I'm gonna take a little bit. This is just regular vegetable oil. I'm gonna help it. Basically, do this. And just rub it all in. Get good and wet. Ready to season, it'll stick really well. Here's the one you want. Just sprinkle this on. I'll have a link for this seasoning in the description. You'll make it yourself. You need to be really liberal with it, because it'll dissolve in. This will help get the skin nice and crispy, especially with that oil on there. Now burn it, help cook it in there really well. All right, now we can start doing the injections. And take these gloves off and put it that way. And then you just draw back your mixture. I'm going to use all of this, so don't be afraid of it. Just put it in and start pushing it in. You see it start coming through the side. All right, now she's all injected up. We're going to spray down the basket. But first, before we do that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go outside. We're going to preheat the Big Easy, and then we'll spray. Put the bird in the basket and put her in the cooker. Be right back. All right, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and get this thing fired up. Turn the gas on. Make sure it's good and tight. Go ahead, put that all the way over. Now we got the igniter. Right off the bat, one shot, yep. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna preheat this for about 20-25 minutes. It's not that cold out today, probably about close to 60 degrees. I think it's supposed to be our high, so we won't need too much heat going. And I'm going to go ahead and we're going to put her in. All right, we're going to go ahead, we're going to spray this basket down, do it a little bit away from there. Because you don't want the bird to stick in the aluminum, so. I'm gonna get it good because I really don't want this to stick, but it does, it does. Here, let's try this. Try and find something to stand. Now we're gonna take the bird and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put it inside down. Right in the basket. There we go. Now let's go ahead and let's put the bird in the bird's in the basket. And slide the bird on in. Now we'll check back in a couple hours and see what she's looking like. Okay, we're about an hour and a half into the cook. Let's get a temp on here. Get in there, see where we're at. I know we shouldn't be anywhere close. Got 155, 156. Skin's nice and crispy. Yeah, same about 160. Actually, that's not a good spot for that. A burn. But yeah, we're still just a little ways off, but skin's getting crispy. As far as the drippings go, getting a little bit going there. Not overflowing or by any means. So we're looking good. We'll check back here a little while. All right, we just put the lid on. It was getting close to up to temp. I just turned the heat down and put the lid on just to keep some heat in there, just keep it warm, and we'll check back in about 15-20 minutes and see what we're looking at. Let's say right now, that was hot. That was dumb. Don't do that. Take your hook and do it like that. Don't touch it with your hands. That got hot really, really fast. See, so it's looking really good. Got some juice right there. I mean, injection's been pulled up right there. But let's see, we're gonna give it a little bit, and then check again like 15-20 minutes. Got it. Mm-hmm. All right, let's take this puppy out and see what we got. Take the cover off. Check temperature one more time. Actually, we can do it. Take it out. I brought the. There we go. And then we'll transfer it in. Not too bad on the dripping. Check the temperature. Try to find a good spot. Look at the link. You know what? She ain't done yet. It's only 155. This person checked it down that spot. Check it down here just for the heck of it. And there it's 165. Almost 170. Alright, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it out of the basket and we're gonna put it on the rack, and then we're gonna put it in a tray and cover it and let it finish cooking. The wings are a little crispy, it looks like. I'm trying the best way to get this out. There we go. Take her in and cover it. Yeah, you can stop.